A1 Cryptography YouTube channel, and today guys I'll be giving an update on the Catstar mining app because there have been a couple of updates and news that this team currently released. So without wasting much of your time, if this is your first time in this channel and you're looking to where you can get crypto updates, mining apps, and as well as technical analysis or how-to reviews and also how to make money online, this is the right channel for you. And without doing much or wasting much of your time, let's just jump right into it. So what is the Catstar app? Hold on, I'm just going to scroll here, and this is the application. So I made a previous video. You see the link to the video in the description, and if you're looking also to join Catstar, well, everything will be in the description, and you see the previous video I made. So there have been literally 2 updates because sorry, as it gets on from every 1 to 2 months, they do release an opening for KYC. And this been reading through the second issue of Space Cat is on sale today, and that was on the 4th on 12th of this month. And you can see here the main news for me right here, what I want to bring to your notice, is this that says global members exceeded 1.3 million. Now that's a big number, to be honest with you, because you can see that to show that so many people it has gotten the interest. And if you've been following my channel, you will understand that from time I posted it to here, you must have been early, and not to make you feel left out, and you're still very early, because this is just 1.3 million people that are using the Catstar app, and you can add up and join before the main big updates come in. Mind you, you can withdraw, but their updates, their requirements you do need to meet, which is about 1,000 spaceship. I'm going to show you, I'll do a little recap on the how you can claim spaceships and where you can do your KYC. Without saying much, let's just go through this news. It says global members exceeded 1.3 cat valuation prices. 1.3 million cat valuation rises. The more users they have, the more valuable the coin becomes. So respected users, exciting news is coming. Catstar currently has more than 1.3 million users worldwide. This is an amazing moment. With the increase of global active members, the commercial value of the platform will also increase accordingly. As the only token on the platform, the value potential of CAT will also increase simultaneously. After the adjustment, the asset valuation in your account will increase. Please check carefully. The next small goal is 1.4 million active members, which in my own opinion, I do think this is absolutely achievable, because they will be doing exceedingly well. If you ask me, if you get to their socials, you see how good how far they have grown. So and they do have NFTs embedded here. So it says Catstar exclusive NFT limited blind box Space Cat is currently on sale, which we saw in the previous videos. All you need to do is add the first batch of rewards for participating platforms to invite and promote NFT members. They will continue to receive the platform distinguished and special VIP rights and interest in the future, such as cat mining acceleration, NFT airdrops, the first batch of NFT withdrawals, the first batch of NFT transactions, and other privileges. So you see, you can hurry up and invite your friends right now. If you're not already mining Catstar, down in the description you get the video and the link. The first link is the video which explains about what Catstar is and how you can get on board, and then the second link is my personal ref link. So you can see very well that they are currently working, and like I said, I'm going to be doing a recap of what a spaceship is if you do wish to make a withdrawal. So spaceships, this very part where you come, you see an icon that says spaceships. You get in there and you get to claim spaceships for every 1 hour 53 minutes. They do have a max that you can claim in a day. I think that should be around 20 or 15 Catstar. So if you met all these requirements, I'm going to show you requirements needed for you to apply for your KYC. The first batch, which has begun and it has ended, you needed 50 friends and 100 spaceships. The second batch, which is currently on, is 30 friends and 200 spaceships. Sorry, that's the third batch is on 20 friends and 300 spaceships, and so on and so forth. If you have all these requirements, you hit this apply button and you'll get on to carry out your tax that needs you to get KYC. So guys, if you do find this video educative enough, and do smash the thumbs up, and you can join my community. The links will be in the description. And if you the only way you can support my channel is by subscribing and liking my videos. Thank you, and see you in my next video.